Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to yet another gist on your favorite OES gist on the Baptist TV. It's still the stay home edition, and today I want to talk about work. Now, ladies and gentlemen, May 1st historically has always been the International Day of Work, aka May Day, aka Happy Workers' Day. But this time around, with the novel pandemic, COVID-19, it gave it yet another look. Everybody before now, when you want to celebrate Workers' Day, everybody is looking forward to that unofficial leave. 1 day unofficial leave. And imagine, this Workers' Day entered on a very perfect day, on a Friday, that leads you into the weekend. So that was like extra day to relax. But this time around, workers were already taking big leaves before now. And Workers' Day was not even recognized at all. People preferred saying Happy New Month than saying Happy Workers' Day, because so many of the workers, they can't even remember the last time they woke up 5 o'clock in the morning, which has always been the usual routine. They can't even remember where the alarm clock is, how to even set the alarm clock. Some workers are already missing the very voice of conductors that will be shouting bus stop to bus stop. Osho, Matama, Gwarimpa, whatever location it is. People have missed traffic. While most of these activities have been missed, even while in the office, some people have missed those bossy bosses that will always be like, this tax, you're not meeting it up, you're not meeting up with this tax, you're not doing that, you're not doing that. Their supervisors yelling at them to do this, even though their fellow colleagues that have been gossiping about them. People were missing it on Workers' Day. But guess what? In the midst of all these things, people were sitting at home. People preferred saying Happy New Month. People don't remember, thank God it's Friday. Thank God, no, every day, nobody remember, is it Monday, is it Tuesday? Every day it's like holiday. And at home, the International Workers' Day, while normally we would have celebrated the workers that have added value to the working system of every country, and also helping build the nation, which is their amazing role in nation building, we use the opportunity to celebrate them. But this time around, we're not celebrating workers. Some workers, they're even crying because so many companies are laying off staffs. The companies that are not laying off staffs, they are cutting down on staff salaries so that they don't even end up laying them off. And some people that are even working, we know that most of you did not receive April salary. So it was not really something of joy to celebrate because the COVID-19 is still very much present. In Nigeria, the cases is even rising very, 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 very fast. And so many people are really, 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 really feeling bad about the whole thing. So right now, everybody just have to hold on. Everybody have to still have to put your hands on deck, because we have to really keep this thing out and keep it as fast as we can. People who had their birthdays in March, April, they were like, you guys are the cause of this thing. Imagine the way we are celebrating birthdays now. But it's falling into May, and nobody wants this thing to extend to June, July. Who knows how long this thing is going to last. But Workers' Day, for the first time, we did not see those celebrations, those road walk, celebrating workers all over the world. We were seeing the pandemic making headlines. Beating holidays, beating the fasting, activities around the world have just been put to a hold. So it means that we really have to rise to the occasion. Let's keep safe. Let's keep staying at home. Even if we know really well that people are still on the streets trying to make ends meet, because people are really hungry. Right now, while some people can't walk, the best thing they do right now is even beg. So that's to tell you how bad the whole thing has gotten. So May Day was still May Day, but essential workers were still out there doing their work. So those were the guys everyone was just celebrating, especially the guys that were bringing in essential services and goods, products like foods and medical needs. They're just being celebrated. But let's just don't worry, things will get better. On the Baptist TV, we are saying keep safe. Let's keep fighting, let's keep pushing, and things will get back to normal in no time. I remain your presenter, Paris 4, all your favorite OESGs. Thank you for joining in, and please don't forget to always share our content. tell your friends, put it across your social media platform. If it's just the YouTube link, please also subscribe, so that you can get notification every time a video drops. Thank you very much for keeping it up with us on the Stay Home edition today. Please enjoy your day and keep the spirit burning. No weekend.